Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to mute Instagram account. We will start by opening the Instagram app and entering our profile. Next, we will click on the following option. Here we will see the users we follow. To stop following someone, we will click on the following button. Afterwards, we will confirm the action by clicking on Unfollow. After that, we will have stopped following the user. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.